Hi and welcome to Sewing Bites. Today we're going to learn how to use the automatic needle threader on a Singer Heavy Duty 6380M. The needle threader is also the same on the 4452. Once you've threaded your machine and you're at this point, make sure you bring the thread into the last thread guide at the top of the needle. Now push down and engage the needle threader. So you want to make sure this part is through the eye of the needle, and you're going to have to hold this because it doesn't stay by itself. Then you're going to bring the thread under this hook on the left, bring the thread in front of the needle but under the prong right here, and now put that back up, and the loop in back, you're going to pull the loop, and that will bring the thread through the eye of the needle. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching Sewing Bites.